If you've moved before, you know that it just sucks. But here are 5 things that you can do to make sure your move doesn't suck as much as it's going to anyway. Tip number 1, find a bunch of friends that have pickup trucks and ask them to help you with your move. Just kidding, don't do that. Don't be that guy. Please don't be that guy. And especially don't ask your realtor to help you move. Our answer is always going to be I'm busy. What you should do instead is you should hire professional movers. And by professional movers, I mean people that do this for a living. Get multiple quotes and then hire them to do the work for you. Tip number 2, make sure you don't pack all of your cleaning supplies. Not so that you clean your house on the exit, I'll get to that in a second, but so that you have cleaning supplies at the ready to clean up little spills as you progress through the day as you're basically packing all of your stuff. Also, super underrated item are paper towels. One roll is not going to be enough. You want a whole back stock of paper towels ready while you're doing your move, and also towels. Things spill and you want the ability to clean them up. Number 3, pack a suitcase a few days before with all of your essentials and everything that you're going to need for the next week of your move. Take into consideration that when you move into your new home, you're not going to have everything at the ready. So pack a suitcase generously and then live out of that suitcase for the duration of your move. All right, tip number 4, this one's super important, and as a realtor, this is one that I know inside and out. The day of move, turn your AC off. Yes, I said off. Your movers might hate you, whatever. Here's the thing, as part of your move, lots of dust and debris is gonna get kicked up. Also, your doors are gonna be left wide open as part of the move. And your AC is going to be working triple time and also sucking in all of that dust. And tip number 5, hire a professional cleaner to clean the home that you're moving out of for the person that's buying your home, and to do yourself a favor to clean the home that you're moving into so it's nice and clean after you move in. If you've moved before, you know that it is like, I'm gonna mess up if you're still there.